3 facility bond propositions are under consideration for Victoria residents. Proposition B would allow for construction of a completely new Stroman STEM Middle School to replace the existing campus at its current site, with increased student capacity for the new STEM pathway. VISD has received over $1.2 million in grant funding to support a new district-managed school model with a science, technology, engineering, and mathematics academy at Stroman Middle School. Stroman STEM Middle School will be a choice campus open to students district-wide. For additional information about the bond election, visit visd.net/bond21. We encourage everyone to get informed and get out and vote. Early voting runs October 18th through the 29th. Election Day is November 2nd.